Hey, welcome! Check out this amazing best 12V solenoid valve that I just found. It has been trending everywhere lately, for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it feels solid and premium. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. Beyond the looks, the power is what's most impressive. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. They are selling out fast. Check the link in the description and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.